In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HubSpot website. By the end, you'll have a clean professional page live, built right inside HubSpot, using their drag and drop tools and ready-made templates. Start by opening your HubSpot dashboard and heading to the content area. This is where all your web assets live, so it's the natural starting point. From there, choose Website Pages. This section is dedicated to your core site pages. Think Home, About, or Services, so you're in the right place to build something that represents your brand. If this is your first time creating a page here, you'll see a prompt to get moving. Click Get Started. HubSpot will walk you into the creation flow so you can set the foundation quickly without touching code. Next, pick a template that fits your goal. Templates are organized into themes and layouts, giving you a solid structure from the start. Look for a design that matches your brand style and the type of content you plan to show. For example, a homepage often benefits from a hero section with a bold headline, space for a value proposition, and a clear call to action. It's okay if you're not sure yet. Templates are flexible, and you can change content and visuals later. When you've found the layout you like, click Use. This opens the page in HubSpot's editor, where you'll make it your own. You'll likely be prompted to name your page. Choose something clear and simple so it stays organized in your content library. Now it's time to edit. Click directly on text modules to replace placeholder copy with your message. Keep headlines short, clear, and benefit focused. Update images by selecting the media areas and uploading your own visuals. Choose high quality images that reflect your brand. Adjust buttons and calls to action so they point to the next step you want visitors to take, like contacting you or exploring products. If your theme supports it, you can tailor colors and fonts to match your brand guidelines. As you edit, watch spacing and readability. Use short paragraphs, meaningful subheads, and enough contrast for easy reading. Remember to add descriptive alt text for images to improve accessibility. Periodically glance at the mobile view to make sure everything looks great on smaller screens. When you're happy with the content and layout, wrap up by clicking Publish. HubSpot will handle the rest and push your page live on your connected domain or default preview domain. If you spot something later, don't worry. You can return to the editor anytime to refine and republish. That's it. You navigated to content, opened website pages, got started, selected a template, used it, customized it, and published your new HubSpot website page.